Hello, today I'm going to show you how to jack up your Mercedes-Benz GLA car. This is an SUV version of it using diamond pad for Mercedes-Benz cars, because the lift up areas comes with a special shape, as you can see, and the Planker diamond pad for Mercedes car jack rubber pads are matches to this area. You have four areas where you can add them there. And if you have a flat head trolley jack, these diamond pads are right for lift up your Mercedes-Benz GLA SUV car using that additional part. The car has to be in a flat surface. This you have to go to park, ignition switched off, and then you can start by lifting up or jack up the car. All these areas where you lift them up is marked by Mercedes-Benz with this hollow area, and in this hollow area, this Planker diamond pad, rubber pad, matches 100%. That means you have a stable and an optimal underbody protection. The Mercedes jack adapter protects the car and jack mount against damage to all still and underbody of this car, suitable for shunting jacks, scissors jacks, and lifting platforms. And it's brake-proof, as you can see. The Resist2 rubber compound has been tested for 3.5 tons, and the GLA comes only with 1.6 tons. So this will match us there, and you can safely lift up your car like that. If you're ready, get it back to the floor again, and remove your car jack out of it. And if the pad is still underneath, remove this too with your hand manually. Easy peasy. Good quality, as you can see. This is how to lift up a Mercedes-Benz car, in this case a GLA SUV, using a rubber pad addition. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me, give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.